The first time I saw my new smile, I did a double take. I was like, who is that guy? And I took medicine for acne when I was a teenager called tetracycline. And years later, I read that tetracycline makes your teeth yellow. So my teeth were yellowed, they're falling out. Well, I was afraid to smile. I mean, I was embarrassed. You know, I hated to smile. My breaking point was when I lost my two canines. I looked in the mirror, I'm like, oh my God, you know, what am I gonna do? Just so happens I had an appointment with Dr. Jackson, like, I don't know, within a week or so.
It became clear to me that this was time for him to consider a full arch treatment plan. And so we went over this together and I answered all his questions and we talked about what it would be, and it would bring some finality to his dental treatment on the upper jaw.
I said, take them all out, the whole upper. I was excited. I couldn't wait to get my new teeth.
We were able to fit 6 implants on his maxilla, and the next day he came in, we used our ExoCAD software to design it that evening without any issues, no hiccups.
I couldn't hardly believe it. It was life-altering. I love to show off my smile, you know? How many 70-year-olds still have great teeth? Hardly any.
He smiles confidently. He's able to chew and eat confidently without any problems. We're very happy to be a part of that journey for him.
If you have any dental issues, anything you're thinking of, anything to do with your teeth, come to Dr. Jackson because he'll take care of you. He's got a great staff, great office. He has a great bedside manner. He really cares and he really wants to do a great job for you.